subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, this is Arithmetico. Welcome to my mathematics class. Let's see the today's topic. Today's topic is Arithmetico-Geomatric Series Part 2. Sum to n terms of this series. So part 2 means before this I have made also video on Arithmetico-Geomatric Series. I have explained what is the Arithmetico-Geomatric Series. You can go through that video if you are newcomer. Sum to n terms of the series. Today I have taken one of the difficult questions while finding the sum to n terms of the series. Okay, so let's see. So no panic. I will tell you in a very simple way. Once you see this video, you are not going to forget the solution of this series. Not only this series, you can find out after that these type of questions very simply. Okay. So let's start, everybody. First of all, I'm going to find out the Tn. Okay, Tn means nth term. Let Tn be the nth term of the series. Series is this one. 2/5 minus 6 upon 5 square plus 10 upon 5 cube minus 14 upon 5 raised to power 4 plus dot dot dot. If you see directly this question, you are not going to find it in Arithmetico-Geomatric Series. You can read like this way: 2 minus 6, then plus 10, minus 14, numerator, then you are not going to get it, right? So let's, a little bit modify this. We can write down 2 times 1 upon 5 plus 6 negative minus 1 upon 5 square and plus 10. You can write down 1 upon 5 cube, okay, and plus 14 times negative of 1/5 raised to power 4 and plus dot dot. Now this is an Arithmetico-Geomatric series. As we know, 2, 6 and 10 and 14, they are in arithmetic progression, and while 1/5 minus 1/5 square, 1/5 cube and minus 1/5 4 are in geometric series, right? Geometric sequence, sorry. Then Tn is equal to nth term of 2, 6, 10, dot dot times nth term of 1/5, minus 1/5 square, 1/5 cube, dot dot. Okay. So they are in AP. As we know, in AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D, and in JP, Tn, nth term, is given by AR, common ratio raised to power n minus 1. We'll use these two formula here. 2 plus n minus 1 times D. The common difference, 6 minus 2, 4, 10 minus 6, 4. So 4 times 1/5 first term, and common ratio is, you can minus 1/5, negative 1/5. Now common ratio we find out like this: so this upon this, or this upon this, you can n minus 1. Here you are going to get 2 plus 4n minus 4 times minus, okay, 1 upon 5 times minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 times 1 upon 5 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 4n minus 2, and here minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 and 1 upon 5 raised to power n minus 1. Here whole power 1 is plus 1. We are going to get here minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 for n minus 2 over cancel 5 raised to power n. So this is the nth term of this series. I don't so think you have any problem now. I'm pretty sure you have no problem. Okay, this is the nth term of the series. Now, see the remaining portion of this question. I'm writing now here. Let Sn be the sum to first n terms of this series. Sn is equal to, now we will write down 2 1 upon 5, or you may write on the same thing, this one 2 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5 square plus 10 upon 5 cube minus 14 upon 5 4 plus the dot and write down, and second last term. This one is the last term, then second last term will be your minus 1 raised to power n minus 2, and is replaced by n minus 1, and here 4 n minus 6 over 5 raised to power n minus 1 plus, and this will be a last term, minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 and 4n minus 2 over 5n. Let's say this is your first. Lack of space, I'm going to expunge all these things here. Okay. And then multiplying first both sides by common ratio. Common ratio is negative 1.5. Or we get, see, this is for first means whole this expression, negative 1 upon 5 Sn is equal to, now multiply this, you will get negative 2 upon 5 positive 5 cube, and here negative 10 upon 5 4 and positive 14 upon 5 raised to power 4 plus, and negative dot dot and plus minus 1 raised to power n minus 1. I'll explain, 4n minus 6 over 5n, right? 5n and plus minus 1 raised to power n 4n minus 2 over 5 raised to power n plus 1. Okay, listen to me how we got this one by multiplying minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, negative 1 upon 5, negative 1 upon 5 you will get. Now, okay, here you will not have any problem. Okay, so how we written this line here, this step here. So look at here. So because we have to multiply, okay, each and every term by negative 1 upon 5. So here negative n minus 2 4n minus 6 over 5 raised to power n minus 1 times negative 1 upon 5. Okay, so negative means here negative 1 raised to power 1. Negative 1 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 here. Okay, 4n minus 6 over 5 raised to power n minus 1 here 5 and plus 1. So negative 1 upon 5 means minus 1 raised to power 1 into 1 upon 5. So using this concept we have written this and I cancel minus 1. Okay, now I think clear. And the same concept, okay, we have applied here. We have multiplied this also by negative 1 upon 5. After multiplying, we have got this state, right? State. And this is your second step. Oh, it's obviously a little bit lengthy. Now subtracting second from first, we get subtracting first means this expression as said. I'm writing again. No, I'm not going to write directly. 2 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5 square plus 10 upon 5 cube minus 14 upon 5 raised to power 4 plus dot dot plus minus 1 raised to power n minus 2 for n minus 6 whole raised to power 5 raised to n minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 4 within times 4n minus 2 over 5 raised to power n. Sorry. Minus 1 upon 5 Sn is equal to, so one step here to, as I told you in earlier video, okay, sorry, here I forgot to write down 2 square. If we multiply 2 upon 5 by negative 1 by 5, we get, okay, negative 2 by 5 square. Now I've corrected. So after one step, negative 2 upon 5 square, right, and plus 6 upon 5 cube, and negative 10 upon 5 4, and plus 14 over 5 4, negative dot dot dot, the plus raised to n minus 1 for n minus 6 over 5 raised to power n, and plus officially this step will go forward, minus 1 raised to power n for n minus 2 over 5n plus 1. I've written to show you the subtraction, how we execute here. Change the sign. This step will be same. Plus, minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Dot dot, negative, and it's gonna be negative. Okay, 1 plus 1 upon 5 times Sn. Same this term. 2 upon 5, and here minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 by 5 square and plus 4 by 5 cube minus 4 by 5 4 plus, okay, same, and here minus 6 upon 2, okay, and here 10 minus, okay, and 14 negative plus, okay, here dot dot, this all will come, and dot dot here plus minus 1 raised to power n minus 1. Now see, we are going to subtract, okay, 4n minus 2. Minus 2, see, 4n minus 2 minus 4n plus 6. Cancel, 6 minus 4 times 4 over 5 raised to power n plus, and here negative minus 1 raised to power n 4n minus 2 over 5 raised to power n plus 1. No problem. Here we are going to get 6 over 5 Sn is equal to so 2 upon 5. This is not coming in geometric sequence. From year to year you can find in sequence. For common you can write down. So minus 4 upon so if you take minus 4 common, you will get here 1 upon 5 square minus 1 upon 5 cube plus 1 upon 5 4 plus dot dot and plus, okay, plus here minus minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 5 raised to power n minus raised to power n 4n minus 2 over 5n plus 1. Six upon 5 times Sn, here 2 upon 5 minus 4 negative. Okay, it becomes negative, positive, and this becomes okay, negative. Mm, 6 by 5 times Sn is equal to 2 upon 5. Okay, here we have taken minus 4 common. Minus 4, here you will get 1 upon 5 square. Plus becomes, okay, here minus, okay, 1 upon 5 cube plus 1 upon 5 and negative, and here plus, so because negative 4 we have taken common, it becomes here minus minus raised to power minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 over 5n. Okay, the same we have written here, or 6 upon 5 raised to power s times Sn. 6 over 5 times Sn is equal to 2 upon 5 minus 4. Here you have to take, okay, sum to n terms in GP. Okay, let me write down here 1 upon 5 square a, this is a 5, times 1 minus common ratio here minus 1 upon 5 raised to power, total terms we will have n minus 1 because starts from 2, so that's why here, right? Because okay, first term power 2, if we have in last term n, then we will have n minus 1 terms. You can count also, I mean to by making some relations, I have already explained, and 1 minus 1 upon minus 1 upon 5. So if you are in confusion what I have done here, I'm going to erase. I will use formula this one, in GP Sn is equal to a1 minus r raised to power n 1 minus r if r is less than 1. Okay everybody, this formula, sum to n terms. Using the same formula, I have written this. You can see very carefully. The same, okay, minus n 4n minus 2 over 5 raised to power n plus 1. Now I'm writing here uh, 6 over 5 Sn is equal to 2 over 5 minus 4 times here 1 upon 25 and here 1 minus 1 over 5 raised to power n minus 1. 1 plus, it becomes okay plus. So 1 plus 1 by 5 means 6 by 5 minus 1 raised to power n times 4n minus 2 over 5 raised to power n plus 1. Okay, or you can write down Sn is equal to, just multiply each and every term by 5 by 6. 5 by 6 times 2 by 5 minus 5 by 6 times 4 upon 25 times it will go up 5 by 6, and here 1 minus, we can write on minus 1 raised to n minus 1 over 5 n minus 1, and here one more thing, here we can make plus also, minus 1 raised to power n plus 1 we can write down times 4n minus 2. But it's not mandatory, but you may write down, it doesn't matter, right? So here, because okay, minus means see, minus means okay, plus minus 1 raised to power 1 we can write. So using this here already we have n, so minus 1 plus n means n plus 1 we can write down, right? I have converted this. Otherwise, okay, you can leave this step as it is, no problem. Yeah, 5 will cancel, 1 upon 3 minus 25 cancels, 4, and here you will get 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 2 ones are, then again okay 3, 1 upon 9, okay, you are going to get 1 minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 over 5n minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to power. Sorry, I forgot to multiply this one also, times 5 upon 6. And minus 1 plus minus 1 times 4n minus 2 over here 5. So 6 times, simply 6 times 5 raised to power n we can write down. Here power 1. So law of indices we can write down this one. We simplified. And 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 9 plus 1, okay, plus minus 1 raised to power n minus 1. Here 9 times 5 raised to power n minus 1 plus minus 1 times 4n minus 2 over 6 times 5 raised to power n. So now here LCM, this is the 9, here LCM is 9. 3 minus 1 2 by 9 plus minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 over 9 times 5 raised to power n minus 1 plus minus 1 times 4n minus 2 over 6 times 5 raised to power n. This is the sum to n terms of the sorry. This is the sum to n terms of this series. Okay, so it's little bit lengthy but little bit difficult also. So if you do the same procedure, if you apply, okay, as I've done, okay, definitely you are going to solve. If you have any problem, you can write down in comment box. Feel free to ask each and every question about this series. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Stay with my channel. Now you will get videos continuously. In couple of months I was very busy, so I could not make videos for you. Sorry for that, and just subscribe and stay with my channel and share to needy students these videos. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. Bye bye.